absent from, absorbed by, with, absorbed in, acceptable for, to, accessible to, accompanied by, accused of, accustomed to, acquainted with, addicted to, afraid of, alarmed at, by, allergic to, amazed at, by, amused at, by, angry about, for, angry at, about, angry with, at, annoyed about, at, annoyed with, anxious about, for, anxious for, appropriate for, appropriate to, ashamed of, astonished by, at, attached to, attentive to, available for, available to, aware of, bad at, bad for, based on, basic to, beneficial to, for, bored with, by, busy with, doing,